Hey YouTube, welcome back. And today we're going to make you a drink called the Banana Boat. Longtime favorite of mine. Glad to show it to you here in a little bit. Hey, today we're going to make you the Banana Boat. And we're going to start off with Midori up to our shot glass line. And then our main body ingredient is going to be pineapple juice up to the big splash line, and then banana liqueur up to the small splash line, and then blue Curaçao the rest of the way up. And there's your banana boat. See you next time on Backyard Bartender.